Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Animal Crossing ornament is probably one of the most adorable additions you can make to your holiday decor this year. Whether you're a longtime fan of the game or just looking for a cute and festive decoration, this ornament is sure to bring a smile to your face. Join me as we dive into the details and discover why this little piece of Animal Crossing charm is a must-have for any fan. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk. This is a LEGO brick-built version of the famous Central Perk Cafe. It's packed with authentic details to inspire hilarious memories of the classic Friends TV show. You can show it off to your own friends. The set includes Ross Geller, Rachel Green, Chandler Bing, Monica Geller, Joey Tribbiani, Phoebe Buffy and Gunther minifigures. They come with cool accessories to roleplay memorable scenes. This collectible 1,070-piece LEGO toy makes a great Friends memorabilia gift. It offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. You can build it solo or share the fun with friends and family. This LEGO Ideas Central Perk set is compatible with the LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters you already own. You can create your own mashup models and unique stories. This colorful Friends TV show gift item measures over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. It will make a big impression when displayed in any room or office. What we like? This set recreates the iconic Central Perk Cafe, instantly recognizable. It includes detailed minifigures of the main characters, perfect for reliving your favorite moments. If you are a Friends fan and enjoy building, this set is a must-have, offering a rewarding experience and a fantastic display piece. What people say. The ornament is very well made. The design is adorable. It's a great addition to any Animal Crossing fan's Christmas tree. Number 4. Whimsical Stitches, Amigurumi Crochet Patterns Book. This book is your guide to creating adorable crochet creatures. It's filled with modern patterns that are easy to follow, perfect for both beginners and experienced crocheters. Inside, you'll find a variety of charming designs. Each pattern is carefully crafted to ensure a fun and rewarding experience. The instructions are clear and concise, making it simple to bring these cute characters to life. Whether you're new to Amigurumi or a seasoned pro, you'll find something to love. With this book, you can create a whole collection of delightful Amigurumi. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity and make unique gifts. Grab your hook and yarn, and let the crafting begin. This book is the perfect companion for anyone who loves crochet and cute creations. What we like? This book provides modern Amigurumi crochet patterns. It offers step-by-step instructions, making it accessible for various skill levels. If you enjoy crafting and are looking for a creative project to make adorable plushies, this book is perfect for you. What people say. The patterns are creative, fun, and easy to follow, making it a perfect gift for anyone who loves crocheting. Really cute book with clear instructions and well-designed patterns. Great book. Easy to follow patterns. Cute designs and detailed instructional photos. Items range from easy for beginners to intermediate. Number 3. Old World Christmas Squirrel Glass Blown Ornament. This glass squirrel embodies playful preparation and cozy gatherings. It's a charming gift that celebrates harvest, home, and holiday cheer. The squirrel features a rich chestnut glaze, a brushed gold tail with sparkling glitter, and a satin sheen body with painted whiskers. These details make it a festive keepsake. This petite, gilded squirrel is a sweet stocking stuffer. It's ideal for playful friends, woodland wanderers, or collectors. It's made from mouth-blown glass and hand-painted using traditional techniques from the 1800s. The quality is evident in every detail. Crafted to last for generations, this ornament maintains its beauty year after year. It will bring lasting joy to your holiday celebrations. What we like? This ornament is a hand-painted glass squirrel, a charming addition to any Christmas tree. The design celebrates woodland joy and holiday cheer. If you like unique, handcrafted ornaments that evoke a sense of nostalgia, this collectible keepsake is ideal for you. What people say. The ornament is very detailed. The ornament is exactly as pictured. The ornament is well made. Number 2. LEGO Assembly Square 10255 Building Kit. This incredible set lets you build a bustling town square. It features multiple shops, a dentist's office, and even a dance studio. It's a vibrant place to explore. The modular design allows for various display arrangements. You can easily move and rearrange the different sections. It's designed for both display and play. The building boasts an elaborate facade with detailed windows and doors. There are many other exciting features to discover. It's a feast for the eyes. The set comes with 8 minifigures, including a dentist, barista, and baker. There's also a Lego fan and a baby figure. They bring the square to life. This Lego Creator Expert set is compatible with all other Lego construction sets. It encourages creative building and expansion. You can integrate it into your existing collection. The assembled model is over 13 inches high, 14 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. It contains 4,002 pieces and is recommended for ages 16 and up. It's a substantial and rewarding build. What we like. This set allows you to build a detailed assembly square with multiple shops and features. The modular design offers various display options. If you are a Lego enthusiast who enjoys complex builds with intricate details, this set will provide hours of enjoyment. What people say. The ornament is very well made and looks exactly as pictured. The ornament is a great size and the colors are vibrant. The details are amazing. Number 1. Nintendo Wii Console, Black, Renewed. Welcome to the world of gaming with this renewed Nintendo Wii Console. It's been carefully inspected and restored to full working order, offering you hours of fun. This console brings a unique gaming experience with its motion-sensing controllers. You can enjoy a variety of games, from sports to adventures, all from the comfort of your home. The console has been professionally renewed, ensuring it meets high-quality standards. It's a great way to enjoy classic games or discover new favorites. Setting up the Wii is simple, and the fun is endless. It's perfect for family game nights or solo adventures. Get ready to dive into a world of interactive entertainment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a classic gaming console. It's a fantastic choice for gamers of all ages, offering a blend of nostalgia and interactive gameplay. What we like. This is a renewed Nintendo Wii console, offering a classic gaming experience. It provides family-friendly fun with a wide variety of games. If you're looking for a nostalgic gaming experience or want to introduce younger players to classic games, this console is a great choice. What people say. The ornament is very well made and the details are amazing. The ornament is exactly as pictured and the quality is great. The ornament is a perfect addition to any Animal Crossing fan's Christmas tree. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.